Hey guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. This is my 7th unboxing of the day, and I've just had a bad experience with a product that tasted disgusting. I was meant to eat it. Before you're like, why are you eating product? I was meant to eat it, but it was just gross, and it's just thrown me and it's making me do disgusting burps. I'm not a fan. So today we have the Pip Box. This is a monthly beauty subscription box and it's all cruelty free, which I love. I pay for this myself, and it's just really nice to be able to get a box I know is 100% cruelty free and I don't have to worry about anything, because sometimes I pay for boxes and it turns out like half the stuff in it isn't cruelty free and then I can't use it and I'm like, me. But this one is cruelty free. I got a subscription. I do like a 3-month subscription on this and it just continues to roll over, and I think it's £55 for 3 months. And they always pack so much in this little tiny box. They shove in so much. I love it. So this box is number 6 and it's the Sustainable Beauty. So let's have a little look. Welcome to your June edit. Our theme this month is Sustainable Beauty, and that means your beauty treats are kind to your skin, body and our planet with recyclable packaging by conscious brands. I bloody love that. The whole box is worth £58. So yeah, let's jump in. The first thing I've got is Codex Beauty Labs, and it is a hydrating skin superfood. This is £14. Treatment for face, hands, body that hydrates, smooths, softens and soothes. Designed to help dry, flaky skin or irritated skin. That sounds nice. Codex Island. Let's have a little look. It's just a little, I assume it's going to be like a balm. Let's have a look. Oh no, it's a cream. What do you smell of? What do you smell of? I don't know. It smells nice. I don't know what it smells of. It feels quite thick and nice. Like you can tell that's really nourishing for your skin. I've just noticed a hair on my hand. That's the first sign of madness, isn't it? So yeah, that's nice. Next I've got Organic Foot Balm Peppermint. Oh, that'll be nice, skin fed. That will be lovely. I love their stuff. This is £7.95. The cooling and refreshing formula will bring relief to your tired feet. High levels of omega-3 fatty acids due to flaxseed oil will prevent dryness. Beneficial properties of shea butter and vitamin E will leave your skin soft and nourished. That's lovely. Everything I've had from these I've really liked. So yeah, that's good. Next up I've got Hydrating Super Balm. A super hydrating restoring balm blended with candula oil to help scarred, damaged or irritated skin. Head to toe dry skin saviour. The multi-purpose balm hydrates, protects and softens chapped, dry or flaky skin. That's a little bit weird just because that's what this one does. So it's a bit odd to have them both in the same box. This one, oh, is a balm, but it's hot, so I just accidentally shoved my finger in it. It feels very oily. It's a completely different texture. When you rub this one in, it just turns to an oil. It smells really nice. It smells lovely. Sweet orange and cocoa. Smells delicious. I'd probably use this on the kids, to be honest, because it says on the side really good for dry skin and eczema prone skin, and all 3 of my children have eczema, so I'll probably use that on them. Really nice, but yeah, I just feel like this one literally says protect dry and flaky skin, and then the other one says designed to help dry and flaky skin, so they do the same thing. Am I being weird, or is that just, that's a bit weird. I think it's weird. Not in a bad way, just, yeah. Next is an eye cream, and it's by Zero. I've used some Zero stuff before and I've liked it. £9.99. Naturally scented rich eye cream is enriched with shea butter, renowned for its healing properties, and deeply nourishing coconut oil. These all natural ingredients try to help and hydrate the delicate skin around your eyes. Let's just get a little bit of arm that doesn't have some kind of moisturiser on it and see what it's like. See if it's light or... Yeah, oh my god, that just smells clean. Like literally just smells like you've cleaned your kitchen. It's lovely. Not in a chemically way though, just nice and clean. that's really good. And the last thing I'm most excited about, I love these. I have got one of these. I'm very excited to have more. I quite a while ago now, I swapped to reusable face cloths and things to remove my makeup. And I just have like loads of, to be honest, I got loads and loads of muslins from when Fox was born. We didn't actually use them, so I cut them up and I use them to remove my makeup. But these are proper cloths. So these ones are the ones that you don't need any chemicals or anything for. So you get 3 in here. Oh, they're nice big ones as well. See, I've got one of these from this brand, but it's a little tiny one. These are lovely. So you get this side, you wet it and you rub it and it will take your makeup off, and it will take makeup off, like even the waterproof stuff, it removes it with no chemicals. And then the other side, it says on it, use this side to exfoliate, and that side is more of an exfoliating side. And there's 3 big cloths. So I am over the moon with that because I bloody love these and I just think they're amazing. So the 10 out of 10 just for these, even though 2 of the products in here do the same thing. You've saved it with this. So yeah, that was the Pip Box for June. Let me know what you think. On the back, it's got 5 more ways to live a more sustainable life. I'd love to know if you've got any sustainable tips down below. That would be amazing. Save energy by like switching off appliance rather than leaving them on standby. Eat less meat or go vegan. That's another good one. Reusable alternatives, like so single-use products, particularly plastic ones, end up in landfill, so you could choose alternatives. Reuse and recycle. We are really big in our house about recycling furniture and stuff. We've got a couple of bits from IKEA, like what I'm sitting at now is like a kitchen island. This is from IKEA. I've got 2 cupboards from IKEA, and then I've got 2 beautiful dressers, a sofa, all the kids' beds are secondhand. My dining table secondhand, all my chairs are secondhand. The only new things we've got is a few bits from IKEA, our bed, all the mattresses are new by the way. But yeah, we're really big on reusing things rather than buying new. And donate unused items, yeah. So if you don't use something, give it to charity. It's always a good thing. I love that. But put any of your own tips down below. That would be amazing. And then we can share all our different ways of sustainable living. That would be lovely. If you like these videos, please do give this one a big thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye guys.